Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Ringing Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Ryan Gesto. And for today's episode 17, mga must-try fraps plus snacks by Zestea Milktea and Food Corner. Zestea Milktea and Food Corner is located at Quezon Street, Villa Arevalo, Iloilo City. In front lang siya ng Iloilo Supermart, Villa Branch, and beside Dunkin Donuts and BDO Bank. They're open every day starting 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. A well air-conditioned shop and with a great Instagram worthy for milk tea shop with seating capacity of 25 to 30 packs. And very soon they will have a milk tea tower per kada Bundle A for 399 pesos and for Barkada Bundle B for 499 pesos. Inclusion of fries, nachos, and siomai. Good for 5 to 6 persons. Full list of menus I'll be providing description down below. Disclaimer lang po, this is my own personal opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. And this episode is sponsored by Zestea Milktea and Food Corner and requested by Mom Day. Hi there mga ka-nose! So I have here fraps and snacks by Zestea Milktea and Food Corner. Here non-coffee based and we have here coffee based for frap. Introduce ko po muna yung mga snacks. Cheesy nachos for 60 pesos. Long fries for 60 pesos and they have 3 flavors. We have cheese flavor and also barbecue flavor, sour cream flavor. And by the way mga ka-nose, these are all large size for 22 ounce. For our first drink, under non-coffee base, there's strawberry cream frap for large size, 22 ounce for 89 pesos. Hindi siya nag-overpower sa sweetness, especially for strawberry flavor. Well-proportioned yung kanilang sugar level, which is good. Masasahan ko talaga yung strawberry cream. At yung maganda dito, very creamy siya. Cream niya, okay na okay sa akin. Well-blend siya sa strawberry. Yung kanilang foot-long fries, ang haba niya, tikman ko is yung sour cream nila. Ito yung cheesy nachos nila mga ka-nose. Laki yung sizes for their nachos, which is good. Foot-long fries, sour cream. Masarap siya kasi crispy niya. Tapos, hindi siya yung typical na fries, matigas or overcooked. Worth it na talaga yung pera mo for 60 pesos. At maraming sticks to mga ka-nose ha. Good for, I think, 4 to 5 persons or more. Tapos na, hindi ko kayang ubusin to lahat, actually for the snacks. Pero taste test ko naman siya and i-review ko. For second drink, avocado frap for large size, 22 ounce, 89 pesos. First time ko talaga matry yung avocado for frap base. Ito, hindi siya yung typical na flavoring or avocado sweetener or powders na nalasahan mo for your frap base. Yung mga kay Zestea, magamit sila ng natural at pure taste, this barbecue flavor. Third drink, mango cream frap for large size, 22 ounce for 89 pesos. Alam mo nakatuwa dito sa Zestea, when it comes sa frap base nila, ma-distinguish ko talaga na very creamy. Nandun talaga yung mango flavor na hinahanap ko. Sweetness ng mango, their cheese flavor for foot-long fries. Ayan mga ka-nose, napakalaki yung kanilang nachos. For a fourth drink under coffee base, caramel macchiato for large size, 22 ounce for 89 pesos. una nag-kick in sa akin yung caramel essence niya. And for the coffee flavor, hindi siya yung strong. This is a mild taste. Ma-distinguish mo yung caramel essence niya. And for our last drink, under coffee base, is our cookie crumble frappe for large size, 22 ounce for 89 pesos. So for cookie crumble, in-expect ko na mag-overpower yung chocolate or yung sweetness, pero hindi. Ma-appreciate mo talaga yung cookie essence. Meron siyang granules ng chocolate and for the cookie crumbles. Okay, for rating, for cheesy nachos, I'll give this a perfect 10. Long fries, sour cream flavor, I'll give this a perfect 10. For footlong fries, barbecue flavor, I'll give this a perfect 10. Long cheese flavor, I'll give this a perfect 10. Strawberry cream frappe, I'll give this a perfect 10. Avocado frappe, I'll give this a perfect 10. Mango cream frappe, I'll give this a perfect 10. Cookie crumble frappe, I'll give this a perfect 10. Caramel macchiato frappe, I'll give this a perfect 10. Comes sa footlong fries nila, napakasulit niya, napaka-crunchy yung kanilang fries. At best to kapag marami kayo or barkada or with family. Combination siya for milk tea products, also for frappe base. Yung kanilang flavors for each of their fries, powdered flavor na sila at the same time meron ng sauce, which is good. Tapos yung kanilang cheesy nachos, napakasulit niya kasi sobrang laki niya so ito first time ko i-cover yung kanilang frappe, especially na bilis talaga siya matutunaw kasi blended po siya. But so far all of their frappe base, especially sa non-coffee base and coffee base, sarap niya. Tapos, distinguish mo talaga na Zestea has this creamy essence. Ang nag-stand out talaga sa akin is yung avocado. Pala ng avocado when it comes sa frappe base. Zestea uses natural flavors for their drinks. Si mango cream and si strawberry cream proportion yung kanilang sugar level. Sa standard talaga sila. Hindi ko na-expect si cookie crumble to be that size yung cookie crumble na nahanap ko. For the caramel macchiato, sa mga hindi mahilig sa strong coffee or black coffee, if you're looking for a coffee base pero hindi masyadong strong yung coffee, nasa mild taste lang. And also, I would like to thank the owners of Zestea and also their baristas for your time, all of your efforts and passion when it comes to preparing your snacks, your drinks. Zestea Milktea and Food Corner maintains their good service, good quality of products, budget-friendly, very accommodating baristas and owners, and also a drinking nose standards approved. Once again, a big thank you to Zestea Milktea and Food Corner. Thank you and congratulations! Thank you for watching mga kanos. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Gesto saying, bye!